Welcome students. Now I am going to explain to you one problem that was asked in the university question in December 2019. So this is a problem related to the pumps. So already for studying the subject environmental engineering 1, the prerequisite is to study fluid mechanics. So already you would have studied pumps and all this in your fluid mechanics portion in your third semester. So the question that was asked was, compute the cost of electric energy in a month for a pump which is operated 8 hours daily for 30 days. The pump lifts 93,600 liters of water per hour against a total head of 25 meters. And the pump has an efficiency of 75% and the electric motor has an efficiency of 80%. The cost of electric energy is rupees 15 per unit. So here the discharge is known, the head is also known, the head against which the water is being lifted, that is given as 25 meters, and also the efficiency of the pump and the efficiency of the electric motor is given. Now we have to compute what is the cost of the electric energy for a month in order to operate this pump which is operated for 8 hours daily for 30 days. And also the unit cost is also given here. So firstly we have to determine what is the total water horsepower. So what do you mean by water horsepower? So water horsepower is actually the minimum power that is required to move water, or we can say in other words it is the power a pump would require if it was 100% efficient. Whereas in this case the pump is not 100% efficient, it is given that the efficiency of the pump is 75%. So we already studied in fluid mechanics the expression for water horsepower, that is WHP is given, can be computed by the expression WHP is equal to rho G QH divided by 1000. We obtain the value of water horsepower in kilowatts. So here the value of Q and H is also given in the problem, and of course the rho value of water is 1000. So substituting all these values, you will obtain the water horsepower as 6.3765 kilowatts. Now like I told you, water horsepower is a power a pump would require if it was 100% efficient, whereas in this case the pump is not 100% efficient. So we will have to find out what is the actual power that is required per hour, and this is obtained by dividing the water horsepower by the product of the efficiencies of the pump and the electric motor. So from this expression, that is the actual power is equal to water horsepower divided by eta P into eta EM. Substitute the values and we will obtain what is the actual power that is required per hour, and the obtained value here is 10.63 kilowatts. Now we know that this is a power required for an hour. So in this case the pump is operated for 8 hours, so the power required for a day will be 10.63 into 8 kilowatts per day. Now from this we can compute what is the total power required for a month. So that will be again the value obtained for a day multiplied by 30. So you will get 2550.6 kilowatt hour per month. We know that the cost per unit is rupees 15. Therefore, in order to obtain the cost of electricity for a month, we have to multiply the unit cost to the total power that is required for a month. So 2550.6 into 15, you can obtain the total cost of electricity for a month for operating this pump. So I hope it is clear. Thank you.